In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable MetaMask on Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You will see the familiar interface with the address bar at the top and various tabs. This is where you will navigate to the MetaMask download page. Make sure you are using the latest version of Chrome for the best experience. Opening Chrome is the first step in accessing the necessary tools for your crypto needs. Taking a moment to ensure that your browser is updated can save you from future issues down the line. Next, go to the official MetaMask download page and choose Chrome. You can do this by typing MetaMask download into the search bar or directly entering the URL if you have it. MetaMask is available as a Chrome extension, which makes it easy to integrate into your browsing experience. Using the official site is crucial because it ensures you are getting a safe and secure version of the extension. This step is important for protecting your wallet and assets from potential phishing sites. After you reach the download page, click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension to install it. Once you do this, Chrome will begin downloading the extension. You will see a progress bar indicating the installation. This step is straightforward, but it sets the foundation for using MetaMask effectively. By adding the extension, you are enabling a powerful tool that facilitates easier interactions with blockchain applications. Once the installation is complete, click the extension's icon, which looks like a puzzle piece, in the top right corner of Chrome. This icon will reveal a drop-down menu showing your installed extensions. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it gives you quick access to all your extensions. Having MetaMask easily accessible in your toolbar will streamline your crypto transactions and interactions, making the process much more efficient. Now find MetaMask in the list and click the pin icon so that MetaMask always appears in your toolbar. This action ensures that you can quickly access MetaMask whenever you need it. Pinning the extension keeps it visible, which is very helpful when you want to make transactions or check your wallet balance. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you are ready to engage with the crypto market. Next, click the MetaMask icon to open it. You will see a welcome screen that introduces you to the features of the wallet. This interface is user-friendly and designed to guide you through the setup process. Opening the extension for the first time is an exciting moment, as it represents the beginning of your journey into the world of cryptocurrencies. At this point, choose Create a new wallet or import an existing wallet if you already have one. If you are new to MetaMask, creating a new wallet is the way to go. You will be prompted to create a strong password, which is essential for protecting your wallet. This step is crucial because it keeps your investments secure. If you are importing, make sure you have your secret recovery phrase handy, as you will need it to regain access to your existing wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up MetaMask. The prompts will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you don't miss anything important. Pay close attention to the instructions, especially regarding your secret recovery phrase. This phrase is your lifeline, and keeping it secure is vital. By completing this setup, you are well on your way to managing your cryptocurrencies effectively. You can also install MetaMask directly from the Chrome Web Store. However, always remember to download MetaMask only from the official website or the Chrome Web Store, and never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. This critical reminder safeguards your crypto assets from unauthorized access.